Wala sa Pilipinas, more than 500,000, no? So kalahating milyon na po ang mga Pilipino ay diagnosed as blind or visually impaired. So ano po, medyo malaki-laki na 'yun, mataas-taas na rin po, no, yung porsyento. How can
Although bumaba na yan, ha? Before it was much more than that. Pero bumaba na, pero malaki pa rin. Ayaw natin may mga mabubulag o ano, no? As mga, especially kung mapipigilan or ma-avoid or ma-prevent, ika nga, no?
So how do we save our sight? Para yung kahulugan ng Sight Saving Month po.
Well, actually, yung sa there's visual disability, there's blindness. So, pero yung pinakamadalas na nagiging sanhi ng blindness, no, or visual disability sa Pilipinas at sa mundo na rin, no? Maybe we can just name them. No? One is catarata, which is very reversible. Simple operation lang yan, no? Tapos covered pa ng PhilHealth. Pero nakakalungkot yung error of refraction, yung kailangan lang ng salamin ng mga bata. Dahil sa either kahirapan or wala talaga silang access, hindi na diagnosed at hindi na bibigyan ng salamin. So simple, no? Another one is glaucoma. Ito yung medyo masaklap. Kasi glaucoma is, kung nabulag ka na dahil sa glaucoma, is irreversible. So the idea of glaucoma is early, maaga. Ang diagnosis and para maagapan at mabigyan ng sapat na gamot, no? Or prevent or treatment, no? Number four, isa sa mga growing problems is diabetes, diabetic retinopathy. So because nga ang dami nagkaka-diabetes ngayon because of lifestyle, that's one. One of the problems is lumalabo paningin dahil sa diabetic retinopathy, yung problema sa retina sa loob ng mata naman yun. Tapos retinopathy of prematurity. Yung mga premature na mga bata, mga babies sa pinapanganak, yan kailangan talaga matignan ng ophthalmologist because it can happen that meron silang problema sa retina dahil hindi siya fully developed. At kung mapabayaan, pwedeng mag-cause ng blindness. Kaya importante yung mga premature babies matignan kaagad ng isang ophthalmologist para may magawa. Pwedeng i-laser yan para hindi tumuloy sa pagkabulag. And of course, corneal problems, no, which is close to my heart. No? So dahil ba ako established, no? You can prevent this, no, yung mga malalaang corneal problems by simple protection. Alam nyo, yung mga trabahador, yung mga nagtatrabaho with chemicals, yung mga nails, mga welding, wear your protective gear, please. Because otherwise, sometimes sa huli na ang pagsisisi. Kasi kung mabutas yan, o magkaroon ng infection, you might have to have a transplant. And then the other one is age-related degeneration. Habang tumatanda ang mga tao, mas nakikita natin ito. Nasa loob ng mata rin ito, macular. Ang problema is, yung mga matatanda, they complain, alam mo, nakikita ko yung paligid, pero yung gitna, para may nakaharang, no? It could be age-related. And sometimes it runs in the family. If it's the dry type tinatawag, we don't really have much treatment now except vitamins, no? Supplements. But if it's a wet type na may mga tumutulong ugat, pwedeng injectionan, kaya lang mahal. But later we can talk about prevention, how to prevent this. No? And finally, digital vision syndrome.
That's a new one? Digital vision syndrome.
Because of digital vision.
Because of the cell phone.
Cell phone, laptop, desktop, all the digital devices we use now. And this is also causing some sort of epidemic, quote-unquote, in children. Dumadaming mga batang tumataas ang grado dahil walang ginawa kundi tumutok sa computer, laptop, or cellphone. And it can cause eventually nag-elongate yung mata at nagiging, it's been proven, no? Because of all the work kasing ginagawa nila is malapit, no? Puro malapit. And because of the interaction ng lens, ng muscle sa loob ng mata, it makes the eye elongate more. And then, what will happen is the child becomes more nearsighted later on, no? And kailangan ng salamin. But kung masyadong mahaba ang mata, it can also lead to other problems later on, no? Sa retina, etc. So, yung too much use of the computer, of the digital devices, no? Is not only hazardous, no, sa ating social life. That's one, di ba? Hindi na sila marunong mag-socialize. Pero It doesn't only cause dry eyes, doesn't only cause eye strain, pero in young children na yan ang ginawa nila day and night,
Yeah.
they don't even go out to play, di ba? Wala.
So,
It can cause also problems, ha?